Today I'm here to answer some questions that you've sent in. Here we go. What is the role of a private investigator in corporate investigations? So that can completely depend on the situation. So it could be a corporate investigation that's looking into an employee who, let's say there's a slip and fall.
Tragic bathroom slip and fall.
And, the employee is now on workman's compensation, says that they can't come into work and lists all the limitations and restrictions. And ultimately that business wants to simply hire an investigator to come out and prove if that's legitimate or not, right? And typically speaking, someone's hiring a private investigator because they feel like something is suspicious about the claim, right? So it could be that the individual says they got hurt at work, but there was no incident report filled out. There was nothing on any cameras that showed that that happened. And the individual potentially is seen by somebody maybe out, riding their boat.
Who's driving this boat?
Or, at the grocery store and they seem fine and they're just wondering, hey, hold on a second, this doesn't match the limitations and restrictions that you've shared.
Is this legit?
So, we're potentially looking into workman's compensation. We also might do trademark investigations. So let's say you have a major brand like Yeti. This is just an example to say, if Yeti, for instance, purchases the end units of a shelving system at a retail store, well, they want to make sure that their brand is being placed accordingly, right? Yeti's a big brand. It's a well-known brand and a brand of quality. So they're going to want to make sure that their gear, their product is going to be displayed in a proper way according with the rules that they have set out with whatever the retailer is. So a company like Yeti, for instance, might contact a lawyer and say, hey, I want a trademark investigation done. And, they would then send investigators out to just go and document, is their brand being treated accordingly? Are they getting the space that they're paying for, et cetera? It could also be, let's say, you could have a non-compete, non-disclosure, and somebody leaves working for your company, and now they've potentially left and gone and worked for somebody else, or and took your client
because you stole a client from me.
They went and opened up their own shop. So we might go out and conduct an investigation to determine if the individual is in non-compliance.
Non-compliance will result in a penalty
Of their non-compete. So a wide variety of things that can be done on the corporate side. There's also labor disputes when those happen, also known as strikes.
We're on strike. Hunger strike.
So it really depends. If you're a business and you're looking to hire a private investigator, contact the Smith Investigation Agency today. We operate across Canada and can assist in any corporate investigations that you have.